Hey, it's Alex again, and today I want to show you this Convenience Classic Concept glass shelves. So as you can see, I like to collect action figures, and since I was running out of space, I came across this 62-inch classic glass shelf. And I want to tell you why I am loving it already. So what I really like about these ones is that contrary to others that I have, they're from a pretty well-known store, that they're enclosed and comes with a door. These are open concepts, so I think that somehow the decorations, which can be books, photos, DVDs, CDs, or action figures, like in my case, or plants as well, kind of like you can see them, you can see it through, so it feels more complete. I hope you understand. And I also really like the kind of chrome finish that has on the frame and the legs. It gives like some kind of a stylish and modern look. And the shelves are actually pretty spacious as well. You can see that I'm putting lots of figures here, and it comes with 5 shelves. So that's pretty good and offers a good chunk of space. And size-wise, it is 62 by 16 by 12 feet. So it offers a really good amount of space that I was saying before. Oh, and the installation took me no more than, I think it was probably like 25 minutes or so. On one last piece, I found out that the rubber pieces that are here on the bottom part of the legs avoids any like shaking, or if it is any like slippery floor, so you will be pretty safe there as well. So what can I say? I couldn't find anything bad on this product. I really like it. I love how the chrome finish looked, and the 5 shelves, they're super convenient. So yeah, my thumbs up. I do recommend it, and I hope you like my review, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you.